Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how you can type in a circle using Photoshop. So let's begin. First thing first, you have to go to your toolbar and make sure you select your circle from the shape tools right here. Make sure you select circle. So having selected your circle, you can come to the home tab right here and work on the check on the shape property, color fill, and no stroke. And then once you're done, you have to come to the workspace, press shift key down and draw a perfect circle. Shift key and hotkey, this allow you to draw a very perfect circle, just like what you see on the screen right here. Okay. Next thing you want to do is to go to your move tool right here. Select your move tool. So when you select your move tools, this allow you to position your shape into center point or any angle you want to position your text, your shape. So you can exit from the shape property. Next thing you want to do is to go to your toolbar again and make sure you select your horizontal type tools. Having selected your horizontal type tools, have to choose your font style. I'm using Roboto and then Roboto medium. I'm giving it Roboto medium size 8, and you have to make sure you choose your color to be black. Then next thing you have to do is to go to the circle and take your type into the circle. You can see when I take my type into the circle, it forms a kind of a circle around my mouse. And if I take it outside, it gives me a kind of curve. This allows me to type around the part. But in this regard, I want to type inside of the shape. So for you to type inside of the shape, you must to make sure that your mouse forms this type of circle. So once you just get to this point, just click once. Immediately you click once, it means that you are ready to type in a circle. You can see it's going to form a kind of a rectangle part around the circle. So you can start your type. So one more thing you can do here is that you can copy and paste your text. So all you have to do, I'm going to press Ctrl A to select everything and Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl V to paste. So I'm going to paste the text into the circle. Alright, so once you are able to type everything you need to type in the circle, one more thing you can do here, you can format the text. For you to do that, you can select everything. For you to select all the text, just press Ctrl A. This allows you to highlight all the text in the circle. Once you highlight everything, next thing you want to do is to press Ctrl T on your keyboard. Once you press Ctrl T on your keyboard, the text character panel is going to pop up. Then you can format the text from the character panel right here. You can change the font size to another size. So I'm going to make the font size 9 and make sure you come to the paragraph. So when you get to paragraph, this allows you to align to left edge and right on the paragraph section. Then right here, make sure you choose align justify center. So when you choose on that, this allow you to allow the text to be full in the shape. So finally, you have to come to the move tool here and click on accept. All right, so you can see the next thing you can do, you can remove the background shape and the background color. So for you to do that, you just have to come to the layer thumbnail here, just hide the layer, or better still, you can delete the layer. You are good to go. So you can see it right here. You are left with how your text form a circle in Adobe Photoshop. So this is how you can type in a circle using your Adobe Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.